All rise. Veuillez vous lever. The International Criminal Court is now in session. L'audience de la Cour pénale internationale est ouverte. Please be seated. Veuillez vous asseoir.
Thank you very much. Court officer, please announce the case.
Thank you, Mr. President. Situation in the Republic of Kenya in the case of the prosecutor versus William Samoei Ruto and Joshua Arap Sang, ICC 01090111. And we're in open session, Your Honors.
Thank you very much. I see appearances remain the same.
Except, Your Honor, I am back this morning, Anton Steinberg. It's the same, Mr. President.
Thank you. Mr. Khan, the same.
Mr. President, Your Honours, good morning. The appearances for the defence of Mr. William Ruto remain as before.
We will... Mr. Khan, were we in open or closed?
Private session, Your Honour.
And where do you want to begin in, private or
Your Honour, we can start, with your leave, in public session. I'm just going to read into the record the transcript of the video that we played yesterday. Witness, good morning.
Before we do that, Mr. Khan, just so we are on the same page, you will be finishing by lunch time, hopefully, if you can try and finish before, to accommodate any re-examination the prosecution may have. Prosecution, so far, do you anticipate re-examination?
Good morning, Your Honors. Yes, I do, but for a short period, I'd say 20 minutes at the most.
20 minutes.
Yes.
Mr. Khan, if you could kindly accommodate them finish before lunch break so they can, on the side before lunch break, so they can fit in their own re-examination, that would be good, with the hope of beginning the examination of a new witness after lunch.
Your Honours, I'll do my best. Witness, you'll recall yesterday I showed you a video. Do you remember that?
That one of Mr. Raila Odinga at the police station, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honours, I'm just going to read the transcript of that into evidence. It's Ken D09-0028-0145. And the news reporter started saying, "It has been 5 days since Rift Valley politician Jackson Kibor was arrested and brought to the Rift Valley CID headquarters in Nakuru over allegations of incitement to violence. And since then, the 74-year-old veteran is yet to be brought before court. And now ODM leader Raila Odinga says that the police should either prosecute or release Kibor. Raila Odinga, if Mezi Kibor has committed a crime known in law, then the right thing usually is for him to be taken to court and tried. We are not in any way trying to plead innocence on behalf of Mr. Kibor, but we are saying that the law must be followed." News reporter, speaking at the Nakuru CID officers, Raila, who was accompanied by 6 ODM MPs, demanded to see Kibor, who had been held at the Menengai MENENGAI police station. And after brief consultations with Kibor, who had been wheeled in amidst tight security, Raila said that the old man was going through, what the old man was going through was nothing short of persecution. Raila Odinga, and we have also discovered here that Mezi Kibor has not eaten anything since morning. a man of Mzee Kibor's age, 74 there.
Thought I had Mzee Kibor.
It is.
All right.
Mzee Kibor's age, 75 years of age, and is ailing. Do you think it is human? It is completely unacceptable. News reporter, his lawyers insist that the police have no evidence to prosecute him and should therefore release him forthwith. Police, on the other hand, say that they will either charge him with murder or incitement, but while waiting from orders from above, with sources indicating that the police plan on slapping incitement charges on the veteran politician. Witness, do you remember that's what was said in the video?
That was what was said in the video.
And you accept, do you not, that Raila Odinga and the 6 ODM politicians he was with were not asking for any kind of immunity for Mr. Jackson Kibor, were they?
Your Honor, what I would like to say is that that was the statement, the one statement that the video has been brought to this court. There were many other statements which were made, including a statement which was made by Honorable William Ruto and other ODM members regarding Mr. Kibor. That was the only statement which was brought to this court.
And witness, you said yesterday you agreed with me that Jackson Kibor was not in the video shot and was not one of those politicians visiting William Ruto that day.
Your Honor, I agreed, and that's why I'm saying that that was not the only statement which was brought during that time, Your Honor.
Yes, and Your Honor, I misspoke. William Ruto was not in the video shot. That's right, isn't it?
He was not there, and he was not in that company, but he made a statement also regarding the arrest of Mr. Kibor, Your Honor.
But Mr. William Ruto never called, did he?
He called...
He never... Witness, if I can finish, please, I'd be grateful.
Sorry.
Mr. William Ruto never said that Mr. Kibor should not be prosecuted, did he? You never heard that?
Your Honor, what I told this court is that Mr. Ruto was among the politicians who called not only for the release of Mr. Kibor, but also the release of the youths who had been arrested connected to the post-election violence, Your Honor.
But witness, I want to stick to Mr. Kibor. Did you ever hear Mr. William Ruto say that Jackson Kibor should not be prosecuted?
Your Honor, I didn't hear him saying he should not be prosecuted, but I heard him saying that he should be released with immediate effect.
And witness, that's simply not true, is it?
That is true, Your Honor.
Your Honours, we can move to another topic, but that would have to be in private session.
Your Honor, I would like to clarify something in private session.
All right, we will go into private session, and you can clarify. In the meantime, at page 4, line 7, I did not say I thought of Mzee Kibor. I said I thought I heard of Mzee Kibor. We'll go into private session.